Welcome back to One in a Million, your go-to channel for everything crypto. If you're serious about making long-term gains in cryptocurrency, you're going to love today's video. We're diving into how to analyze a crypto project, Fundamental Analysis 101. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to research crypto projects, vet their teams, and determine if a project is worth investing in for the long haul. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto insights. Let's get into it. 1. What is fundamental analysis? First up, what is fundamental analysis in crypto? It's pretty much the process of evaluating a crypto project by looking beyond just the price charts. You're digging into the core of the project. What problem does it solve? Who's behind it? What's its potential for real-world adoption? In other words, you're analyzing the project's fundamentals. Example. Think of it like this. When you're buying a stock, you don't just buy it because the price is going up, right? You look at the company's leadership, products, and market. It's the same with crypto. 2. Step-by-step, how to research a crypto project. Step 1. Check the project's white paper. Start by reading the project's white paper. This is like a roadmap that tells you the project's vision, mission, and technology behind it. Ask yourself, what problem does the project solve, and is this problem real? Is the solution innovative? Example, for instance, Ethereum's white paper outlined a world of decentralized applications and smart contracts, something that didn't exist at the time. Step 2. Analyze the team. The strength of the team behind the project is super important. Check their backgrounds. Do they have experience in blockchain, tech, or finance? Are they transparent about who they are? Example, projects like Cardano and Polkadot have well-known figures like Charles Hoskinson and Gavin Wood, respectively, which adds credibility. Step 3. Community and social presence. Next, check out the community. Is the project active on social media? Do they have a vibrant community on Telegram, Discord, or Reddit? A strong community often reflects a healthy project. Step 4. Partnerships and use cases. Are they collaborating with big companies? Do they have real-world use cases? A project that's being adopted or integrated into existing systems is a big green flag. Step 5. Tokenomics. Finally, understand the tokenomics. How many tokens are in circulation? How are they distributed? Is there a max supply? Knowing this can help you figure out if the coin is built for long-term value or if it's just another pump and dump. 3. Red flags to watch out for. Here are some red flags to be cautious of. Anonymous teams. If you can't find any credible information about the project's team, that's a big no-no. Overly ambitious promises. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Be wary of projects promising sky-high returns without any substance. Poor community engagement. If the project seems to be losing interest from the community, that's a warning sign. If you're finding this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto education. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. Bonus tips for long-term investing. Before we wrap up, here are some additional tips for long-term investing. Diversify. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different solid projects. Stay updated. Follow the project's roadmap and stay updated on any major developments. Patience. Crypto markets are volatile. Don't panic sell during a dip and don't FOMO buy during a peak. Now you have all the tools to start researching crypto projects and make informed decisions. Remember, fundamental analysis is key if you're in this for the long run. Comment below with any questions or your favorite crypto projects, and I'll make sure to reply. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay smart, stay invested, and stay safe.